How to access Telegram Cloud Storage. What is up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily access the Telegram's cloud storage. But before we get started, don't forget to leave a like down below on the video and subscribe to the channel. On that note, let us jump right into the video. The very first thing you're going to have to do is open up your Telegram. So if you guys didn't know, Telegram provides you with a cloud storage that is saved as your messages right here. So if you tap on the saved messages option on your Telegram chat, this is your cloud storage. You'll be able to store anything right here on your saved messages. For example, if I just go ahead and open any chat here like this, and you want to save anything to your cloud storage, you just have to long press on the message, and then from here you could just tap on forward. Now you can just tap on to saved messages, and as you can see, it has been forwarded to your saved messages. You could just tap on this, and then you could forward it from here as well. And if you want to download a picture or a video to your forwarded messages, you just have to tap on the video, tap on the three lines, and you could again forward it to your saved messages, or if you want, you could download it to your gallery. So for example, if I just long press on it like this, I have an option to forward, and again I can tap on the saved messages. So if I go ahead and tap on my saved messages, as you can see, I'm able to save any kind of message on this. So this is how you access Telegram's cloud storage. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.